I think I can. I think I can. I think I can calculate the volume of cylinders. Hi everybody, happy February vacation. Today we're going to be going over page 1, how to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay? So first we're starting off with a picture of a cylinder, and even though it's tilted to its side, we know that this long part is the height. That's because the part that's always on the circle is either the diameter or the radius. In this case, it's the radius because it's halfway from the middle of the circle to the edge. Okay? So the volume of a cylinder formula is volume equals pi r squared times h. In fact, a cylinder and a cone are really related. Cones are 1/3 of a cylinder. So it's the same exact formula, which is 1/3 at the beginning. Okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to erase and replace. I'm going to substitute the values they gave me in the picture into the equation. So V stands for volume, which I don't know. Volume equals pi, which we can approximate, r squared, which in this case my radius is 13, so 13 squared, and my height is 21 times h. Okay? Now, I can actually solve this and follow order of operations. So what are we going to do first? The exponents, right? So we know that 13 squared is 169. If you didn't know that, you can take your calculator and do 13 times 13, and you would get 169. My next operation that I have to do is multiplication. So I'm going to take my 169 and multiply it by 21. This is definitely something you want to use a calculator for. Right now, my volume could be done with 3,549 pi. If a problem asks you to leave it in terms of pi, you can stop right there. But if it's the real world and you need real application, you're going to take this amount and you're either going to use the pi button on your calculator, which is in blue, so you press second, or you're going to use an approximation, which is 3.14. Today we'll use 3.14. This whole packet we're going to use 3.14. So I'm going to take my calculator and multiply it by 3.14. Now that's an approximation, so make sure you pay attention. When I write my volume, I'm going to change this equal sign to an approximately sign, and I've got 1,000, actually way bigger than that. I've got 11143.86. 11,143.86. And we know that it's centimeters, and because volume deals with 3 different dimensions, left and right, up and down, front and back, we're going to put cubic centimeters because it's 3 dimensions. And that's my final answer.